So John, give us an introduction of yourself and your company. You were at the Vistage meeting today. Take it away and tell them about yourself.
I'm John Quinn. I'm from Buffalo, New York. I work for a company called SealMaster. I'm the sales manager over there. Had the pleasure of meeting Dale today, and my biggest takeaway from him was the active listening. Finding that how I can improve on being an active listener, but also finding out that maybe perhaps we don't have active listeners in the group or in our company as well, and how to kind of develop them into them, and how that can provide success.
So it sounds to me like you had a little bit of a light bulb go off of some of the maybe employees that you were dealing with that were struggling a little bit, that maybe it could be because of active listening?
Yeah, I think it's a
And
huge
Adam was his partner, and he kind of helped spur that on, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm here in Buffalo, New York. This is a emerging leaders group, and the customer focus was our topic today. My name's Dale Richards, and I have spoken 500 times to Vistage groups across the country. I also have a certified valuation firm, so I value many Vistage members' firms for mergers, acquisitions, so forth, and I have my top 10 ways to double, triple revenue, profits, and value. But most importantly, I want to tell you about Vistage. I was a chair for 8 years. I've been a speaker for 11 years. It's the most important decision you, as an executive, will make in your life. Both personally, when we talked about active lifting, but we also talked about 5 or 6 ways in which you can improve customer relations, revenue, and so forth. You will find nuggets that you will never find anywhere else. Find a Vistage group, join it. It will be the best decision you make in your life. Thanks for listening to us. John, you were great today. Thanks for participating with me. And Meredith, we appreciate you being the camera person. Thank you so much. Join Vistage. Best decision.